Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Spring Essential Oil Diffuser by Rocky Mountain Oils. I'm going to be unboxing this for you. I'm showing you the design, explaining the functionality, and letting you guys know whether or not you should be purchasing this ultrasonic diffuser. So with that said, let's get started. So I ordered this diffuser on the Rocky Mountain Oils website, and it took about, I would say, 5 business days to arrive to my home. It costed me $49.95, so about 50 bucks. And so this is how the box looks like. And let me open it for you. Okay, so once you open up the top, you get this instructional and care booklet. And just to let you guys know, I did open this before and I have been using it, but I did put it in the box just to show you guys how everything is laid out inside. And you have the 24 volt plug in here. And you pull this out. And as you can see, it is kind of wet because I was using this earlier today. I put it in here just to show you guys. All right, so this is the Spring diffuser. It's an ultrasonic diffuser. So this is how the diffuser looks like. It's about 7 inches tall and 4 inches wide. So a very typical size for an ultrasonic diffuser. And I love how it's very sleek, very simple. It's black, it's plastic on top and the bottom. And the middle, the covering, has this kind of like a steel or aluminum design to it. So I really like that. It looks really nice with the at night when the LED lights show. You could see kind of the style and the design of, it's supposed to be forest, kind of like trees in a forest. And let me go towards the back here. So you do have the plug here, and it just says rmoils.com. And this button isn't a physical button. You just kind of press it and it'll automatically turn on. And I think overall it looks really nice in a very sleek or minimal environment. So if you have a room, or you live in a home that's very modern, very clean, I think this will look really, really nice. So let me open up the cover. So it's only 2 pieces. So it's this and this portion, and the water reservoir is right there. And so I'm just comparing this to my other diffusers I've purchased in the past. I've purchased one where it does have a cover on top of the water reservoir. But this one just comes in 2 pieces. So you will see that the water does kind of show up on the very top there. And one thing that you do need to keep in mind is that when you do open it, after you use the diffuser, the water will drop and it'll kind of seep through the sides. So you just need to be very careful whenever you open it, not to let it drip on your table, or more importantly, let it drip inside here. You wouldn't want the water to go inside there. And in terms of the cover, I think this looks really nice. The quality of the construction is okay. You do see kind of chips on the plastic there. The top portion could be a little better in terms of construction. Like, you do see the plastic isn't completely smooth in some areas. But I think it looks good in terms of the materials used. I think it could be better. And regarding this button here, so it's not a physical button. So all you do is you just press it and it automatically turns on. And it cycles through, I think, 4 different colors. It cycles through blue, green, purple, and red. So there's 2 modes. It's this, where it's the LED lights with the essential oil diffuser showing up there. And then if you don't want the colors, you just press it one more time and it'll turn off, but the diffuser will still be going on. And that's the only two options you have. There is no intermittent diffusing or anything like that. You just press it once if you want the light and the diffuser, a second time if you just want the diffuser. One thing about this is that sometimes I did catch myself accidentally pressing this while, I was kind of pushing this cover down. So you gotta be careful not to put your hand here if you do have it plugged, just to make sure that, you don't accidentally turn it on. But overall, I love how it looks. I think it looks really, really nice on my table here. I'm in my office and I think it'll be staying here. And I think overall it's nice. In terms of the timing, it takes about 4 hours for everything to kind of diffuse through. And it's 180 milliliter water reservoir. So I think that's fine. One thing I did notice was that I don't smell the oils as much as my other diffusers I've purchased. I purchased one from Home Medics, and that one I put about 4 drops of oil, and I smelt it more on that one versus this one for some reason. I do catch myself putting at least 6, sometimes even 7 or 8 drops to actually smell the oil coming through. So something to keep in mind. And also this cord, it is a little bit on the shorter end. So just make sure, wherever you put this, that it is close to a socket so that you don't need to, be pulling this and, damaging your diffuser. But overall, I am pretty happy with my purchase just because it looks really, really nice. So if I were to recommend this, I would recommend it to people who like how it looks. I don't have any issues with it. It's been operating perfectly almost every day I've been using it. If you don't like how it just comes in two, see, look at how it kind of drips there. So if you don't like that, I don't recommend purchasing this one. You just got to be mindful of that. But for me, I kind of got it down to a science where I know the angle of, how to pour it on here. So it takes a little practice to open this the right way. But I think this is a nice diffuser. So I would recommend it if you like the looks. I wouldn't recommend it if you kind of don't like this water dripping, or if you prefer a product that has a better feel and kind of how it's manufactured. I think there is a lot of improvement to be made on this diffuser. All right, so hopefully you thought that was helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I will be happy to answer them. Thank you.